I added that green line to it, to the bungee. So I got a little bit of a space going there. Whew. It's in the 80s. Okay, let's get some. 1, 2, 3. Shoot. I thought I fixed that. Okay, let's try it again. Ready? Oh yeah, that worked better. Oh, putting that longer line on there. Yeah. Whew. I forget who gave me the suggestion to do that, but my goodness, I got a lot more altitude. I needed a little bigger fulcrum on the release. I didn't think it was going to launch. It scared me. Oh, that's going to work well. A little tweaking to do, but man, adding that line to the bungee, I didn't think it would matter, but my goodness, that was perfect. Tuco's like, yes. He's like, yes, get this flight over with. Well, I didn't bother with the metal bars. The only pieces that I have to put on the rails are the 4 little extensions off the bottom tees. Whew. That worked great. And I'm hot. Oh boy, is it hot. It's got to get close to 90. It was in the 80s when I started earlier this morning. This is my last flight. I talked. Caleb came by, we talked to him.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
All right, let's come in for the landing. We'll cut back in for the landing. Well, there we go. I figured I can see if I can hit the stakes. Well, there you go. The bungee mods are coming along. I just got to work on my trigger a little bit, but I'll show you how I secured it down here. Oh, it feels good to get this hot, dark hat off my head. There's how I staked it out. I used a big old nail with a washer, so that there's no way that can slide off now. And then I got 2 safety stakes right back there, so I don't get a big old huge nail snapping at my head. There's the line. Worked well. I'm very pleased. Very, very pleased. Very pleased. What I haven't shown you yet is this. There's what I'm using for a tow hook. It's just a little plastic picture hanger that I used some JB quick weld. I sanded the fuselage and the picture hanger and glued it on, and I just got a piece of safety tape on there. Safety first, baby. There you go. Whew! It's hot. We're going to pack this circus up. We're going to hit the road here at Liberty Landing, north of Dothan, Alabama, north of Headland, south of Abbeville. Woo!